With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is, a block of mass 10 kg is placed on rough inclined plane of inclination angle 37 degree. Okay. Coefficient of friction between block and plane is 0.8. Then find the minimum magnitude of F so that block remain at rest. Okay. So basically question says that a block is placed on inclined plane. So let me draw it. Let's say this is the inclined plane on which block is placed. Okay. So let's say this is the block of mass 10 kg. Okay. And angle of inclination of plane is 37 degree. Okay. And another thing is coefficient of friction between plane and block is mu equal to 0.8 as given in question. Now we have to find the minimum magnitude of force so that block remain at rest. Okay. So for finding that force, we have to analyze the movement of block. If block is moving in downward direction, then we have to apply the force in upward direction. And if block is moving in upward direction, then we have to apply force in downward direction. Okay. So for finding the movement of block, we have to draw free body diagram of block. Okay. So let me draw it. Let's say this is the block of 10 kg. Okay. And angle of inclination is 37 degree. Okay. So the first force acting is mg. Okay. So let me draw it. mg. So we have to resolve these forces along the plane and perpendicular to the plane. Okay. So along the plane we have to find this angle. So this angle is equal to 37 degree. Why? So for that you can see here, if this angle is 37 degree, then this angle is 90, then this angle is 53. Okay. Now if you see, you can say this point, if you see, the angle between this is 90 degree, the complete angle, and this angle is 53. So because of that, then this angle is 37 degree. Okay. So now we have to resolve these forces perpendicular to the plane and along the plane. Okay. So along the plane. Okay. So perpendicular to the plane is mg cos 37. Okay. And along the plane is mg sin 37. Okay. Now another force is normal acting on that body. Okay. Which is perpendicular to the plane. Okay. Normal reaction. Okay. And another force is friction, because mg sin theta is acting downward direction, which causes motion of that block. So to avoid motion, friction force acting in opposite direction. So this is the direction of friction force. Okay. Now we have to calculate all force value. Okay. So first you can see here, normal force is equal to, body is not moving in upward or downward direction, so normal force is equal to mg cos theta, mg cos 37 degree. Okay. So it is equal to, mass is equal to 10 kg. Let's say g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So 10 into cos 37 is equal to 4 by 5. So it is equal to, so one thing we left, it is, so now it is okay. It is equal to 80 Newton. Okay, now we have to calculate the friction force. Okay, so friction force is equal to mu into normal reaction. So in this case mu is equal to 0.8 and normal reaction is equal to 80 Newton. Okay, so it is equal to 64 Newton. Okay, so now we have to calculate the value of mg sin theta. Okay, so mg sin theta is equal to, mg sin theta means mg sin 37. Okay, it is equal to 10 into 10 mass of block, 10 acceleration due to gravity, and sin 37 is equal to 3 by 5. So it will equal to 60 Newton. Now you can see here, this is block. In upward direction friction force acting, which is equal to 64 Newton, and in downward direction mg sin theta acting, which is equal to 60 Newton. Okay, so one thing here we have to understand that the 64 Newton, it is that value, it is maximum value of static friction. Okay, it is max value of static friction. Okay, because as we know that static friction is a force which can adjust itself according to force acting on that body. Okay, so in this case 60 Newton acting in downward direction, so in this case the value of static friction is 60 Newton in upward direction along the plane. Okay, so the net force on that block is 0. F net is equal to 0, means block is remain at rest. Okay, so block is at rest. Okay, block is at rest, so there is no need of any force, so the value of force is 0. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.